Beautiful, no? Hole over there. Do it to the top. Here's something big ahead here. Doesn't catch. You want to put a big one? Someone cracked it here, huh? I see it's all cracked.
Yeah.
You should put some nails. You see all of this went out. You should fix it tight. So this is not gonna... Just try and stay inside, please. I just want to try. Okay? The bolt doesn't lock, only this. Okay. Lock. Oh. Now it's bolted and latch.
When's it engaged? Down or up?
Both.
Okay.
Both engage. This one and this one. Now you have 2 locks on the door right now.
Okay.
If I shut the door, you gotta use a key. It's automatically locks. If you want to cancel, you just push this.
Okay.
Now it's canceled.
Got it.
If you shut the door, it stays open.
Got it.
All right. You have to bolt it when you leave. But it's always to keep it 2 locks. That means 2 locks. This one and this one. If you shut the door now, you gotta use the key. You understand?
Got it.
You want to try out? Let me try one more time. So right now it's locked, you see?
Yeah.
I cannot open the door. You gotta use the key to open it.
Got it.
Okay? Now you can lock it double. This and the bolt. This. Okay, look. That's 1. That's 2.
Got it.
That's bolted. Now I'm gonna open the bolt. That's 1. That's 2. Okay?
Okay. But this you can't open with a key. You always have to push it.
What do you mean?
This, you can't move this with a key.
No, you cannot.
Down when you push manually.
You have to push it with your finger.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, you happy? It's nice.
Yeah. All right.
Working, safe. I mean, tight, strong. The door you have to jiggle, you see?
Yeah.
You have to jiggle it because, I don't know, something doesn't match over there. But this is shake. So,
It's
I don't
not
know.
good wood.
Exactly. But it's still good.
Okay.
It's safe. You're safe. You're lock. See, there's something touching. I don't know what.
Catch.
Here or this. I don't know.
Okay. All right.
But for right now,
There's the 2 keys.
enjoy your.
Thank
This
you.
is the old stuff.
That's
It's
no
all
garbage.
yours.
Thank you, sir.